Okay, good morning, my dear student. Today, ninth day and part 1. Clear? It is, we check our theorem. Prove that it is the irrational number. Prove that under root 2 is irrational number. It is very important topic. Sometimes it is asked on the place of root 2 it is root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7 and so on. Then here we can discuss, we can prove that root 2 is a irrational number. We know that root 2 is the irrational number, but we want to prove. Clear? Then here you write proof. Here it is given, it is root 2 is the irrational number, then you consider root 2 is the rational number. Let root 2 is rational number. Here we suppose root 2 is a rational number. We want to prove root 2 is the irrational number and we consider root 2 is a rational number. And here we can satisfy all the properties of the rational number with root 2. And if all the properties of rational number are opposite of the root 2, then it will be not rational. That means it is irrational. Doing the same process. Here we consider let root 2 is a rational number. That means root 2 is equal to P upon Q. Clear? Then after what we can do is squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, then root 2 here 2 and P square upon Q square. Clear? Then P square is equal to 2Q square. Clear? It means it is A is equal to BQ, then B is the divisor, like this. In the same way, P square is equal to 2Q. It means P square is divided by 2. P square is divided by 2. You know that if the square is divided, square of any number is divided by any given number, then their square root is also divided by with the same number. That means P is divided by 2 also. इसका मतलब it means P is divided 2. It means 2 is a factor of P. Clear? Then after, here we consider let P is equal to 2M. Clear? Then P square is equal to 2M whole square means 4M square, and this value 4M square put in equation 1. Then on the place of P square you can put 4M square. 4M square is equal to 2Q square. This 4 is divided by this 2. Now it is 2 here. Now 2M square is equal to Q square, or it is written Q square is equal to 2M square. It means Q square is divided by 2. Q square is divided by 2. It means Q is divided by 2 also. That means 2 is a factor of q also, because 2 is a factor of p here and 2 is a factor of q. From above we can see 2 is a factor of both p and q. Which are contradict. Why contradict? Because you know that in P and Q, the both P and Q are co-prime. It means SCF of P and Q is 1, and here SCF of P and Q is other than 1. That's why it is the contradict of the rational number. That means our supposition. What supposition? Then root 2 is the rational number. Our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. It means root 2 is a rational number is wrong. That means root 2 is irrational number. Clear? Proved. Okay. Then after doing the same process, you can prove root 3 is the irrational number, root 5 is the irrational number, root 7 is the irrational number, root 11 is the irrational number. What is the main thing? If here we can take root 2 is the rational number, then in the second part means it is the second part. In the second part, you consider P is the 2m. If here is 3, then you consider P is equal to 3m. In the same way, if here 7, it means prove that root 7 is the irrational number. Then in the second part, you consider P is equal to 7m. Clear? In this case, their SCF of given to this. Clear? And which is our supposition. Then the homework for this, prove that given are irrational under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, under root 7, under root 11, under root 13, under root 15. Clear? Then after, one more type of question related with the operation. Now we discuss suppose prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is irrational number. It is the theorem. Prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is a rational number. You can prove by two ways. Clear? Then first is proof. Let consider 2 plus 3 root 5 is equal to P upon Q. It means we consider let 2 plus 3 upon 5 is a rational number. A rational number. Then after, it means 2 plus 3 root 5 is equal to P upon Q. Then 3 plus root 5 P upon Q minus 2. Here 3 under root 5 is equal to P minus 2Q by Q. Then after root 5 is equal to p minus 2q by 3q. Clear? Then after you see it is the irrational number and it is the rational number. Clear? Then you say which is not satisfied because LHS is irrational and RHS is rational. LHS under root 5 is irrational and it is all the value of other than root, then it is the rational. That means our supposition is wrong. Thing which are we suppose, what suppose? It is the rational number, that means it is the wrong. That means 2 plus 3 root 5 is irrational number. Okay, root. One more method, you can write the operation. You can write, we know that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of one rational number and one irrational number is always an irrational number. That's why here 2 and 3 are the rational number and root 5 is the irrational number. Then it is the operation of the one rational number and one irrational number. That's why it is irrational. Then 2 plus 3 root 5 is irrational number. Suppose you can forget this process, then you can write by the same way. Clear? Otherwise you can follow this. Okay, thank you.